Welcome to the AlgoBox Discord, the free trade room where traders of all levels connect. Let's walk through some of the key areas you'll want to check out. We'll start with the rules. These are important to keep the community safe. Remember, moderators will never DM you first. If you see suspicious accounts, report and block them right away. From there, head over to the Start Here channel. This is your launchpad, packed with the foundation you need to begin your AlgoBox journey. Once you're familiar, you'll want to use the search function. It's the fastest way to find anything, whether it's a keyword, a past post, or weekly ranges. Stay up to date by checking the announcements channel. This is where all new releases, offers, and updates are posted. If you need help choosing a broker, the brokerage info section has everything laid out for you. And if you've got a question, don't hesitate. Use the Ask Questions channel to get answers directly from the community. For those who speak other languages, we've also got dedicated language channels to keep learning accessible worldwide. Now, one of the most powerful features is the MACV Ultimate channel, which updates direction on YM, ES, RTY, and NQ whenever the US markets are open. Want inspiration? Check out the Testimonials channel where traders share results with screenshots and P&L graphs. For full transparency, we also have the third-party verified track record channel, proving exactly how AlgoBox stacks up in the industry. Stay sharp by checking the news channel, which streams global headlines around the clock. And for those in premium, you'll unlock exclusive channels like Vinny's Tips and Tricks in Trading Wisdom. Next level content you won't want to miss. If you ever run into technical issues, head to tech support tickets. Just open a ticket and our support team will take care of you in priority order. Lastly, if you want to maximize your chart space, check out the Hide Discord sidebar extension. It's a simple way to clear the clutter and focus on what matters. Thanks for watching and walking through the AlgoBox Discord with me. If you're not already a member, feel free to join the trade room today and start connecting with traders from around the world. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you there.